Folks, welcome back. So this is John and Gav, and Gav telling John to sit properly on the table. John saying no. Why not, John?
No.
Why not? Proper table manners.
No.
This is what John eat. So him eat and watch TV. That's bad manners. Him have green banana. Him have pork in his plate and cow cod, right? John, you have cow cod in your plate, right? And this is mine. I got dumpling, sweet potato, yam, and gungo soup. This is called pigeon pea soup.
Yeah.
Gungo and broad bean, which is a lima bean. Look at my wife. Look at her rocking. Look at her rocking over there with her greedy self. Look at that. She have the same thing. All right, just don't come over this side. All right. So yeah, we're gonna get down. Get down, baby. See the pimento berries in there. The food on the side.
Can we just take Gavin?
And John have some. John have saltfish. Leave the cat alone. Leave the pussy cat alone.
Right.
Yeah?
Can we
Are you
just
sure?
Gavin in our
Yeah.
suitcase?
No, some want carry John
Can
in
you
his
just cook
suitcase
for
because
me?
John go come cook for you over some.
Gav. What the paper them to my nicky okay over.
No man. John come cook for you, man.
Master got Stacy that Bex. Stacy that Bex Nicky.
Okay, so John.
Me recently get a certificate.
So you go to work tomorrow, John.
In a level 2 in a comic ship.
John,
Yeah.
what time you go work tomorrow?
7:30.
7:30? Why so early?
Just the time I do open.
The time it open?
Yeah.
So hold on. So when you go 7:30, right?
Yeah.
Is the boss already there?
Yeah.
So what happened if you're late one day?
Fired.
You fired? Here you go, cuss you out? Then they go, sir. You know what,
You must give one input.
Gav? I feel John is a lazy worker. I don't think he's a good worker. Do you think so?
Oh, John.
Mm-hmm.
John does what he wants to do.
John is a lazy worker, John? Or he's a good worker?
Lazy worker.
He's a lazy worker? So right. You just sleep on the job?
Yeah.
Man, he need to be fired, man. This guy need to be fired. Yeah, back to greedy lady over here. Look at her. Here's a Nikki I got on. And she put her phone on my bowl. Look at that. She put her phone on my bowl. Watching soap opera.
No, it's my class.
And they got my duct tape. John have my duct tape as his what you may call it. The hell is going on here? John, he said you have no table manners. He's chasing the cat outside. So John,
You check the nano.
you like dumpling or you like green banana? Which one?
Green banana, I like.
You like green banana? John, why you like green banana so much?
I don't know. Man, you can cut on the banana.
This a green banana is not good for man. It's not good for men.
You have iron, son.
You have iron? So what is iron?
That what is iron?
You say I have iron, so you gotta tell us what is iron.
I use iron clothes, pressure clothes.
So you like green banana and what else, John?
Saltfish.
Saltfish. Okay, what is saltfish?
Saltfish, you know
A
saltfish?
woman have saltfish, you know, John?
No.
Oh, you like saltfish? John? It's okay, man. This is a free world, John. So everybody,
Gabi
John
like
likes
saltfish?
saltfish. Yeah. You like saltfish, John?
Gabi like saltfish?
It depends on what kind of sandwich you have.
What kind of saltfish you like, John?
Gabi what kind of saltfish you like?
Me, I said, John, I'm not talking about Gav is cooking.
Starfish with the scale, John.
Oh, Gav like one on the scale. So John like one with the 2 feet or what?
Like one like panty.
You sure?
Saltfish
So
like panty.
you like the one that can talk back?
Like one like panty.
If you talk back, me I run in, John.
Go. Keep your jaws and run.
No, I said me I run. Me I run, John. 'Cause if you talk back, me run down, you know.
What you know, teeth your tongue, what you know if your teeth are like butter, right?
So John, how you gonna find out?
Yeah. Somebody are talking about that sound sheet, so little kids already.
Yo, me not wait to find out, you know, me gone, you know. Me gone, man, me gone, sir. Once you talk back, sir, me gone. And it not bite me at all. It can't squeeze, but it can't squeeze and clamp, but it not bite me, sir. No, sir. Jana eat, man, but he not eat right, man. He might eat piece of dumpling, piece of potato. Alright, man. Alright, yo, I'll catch you all later. John, enjoy your dinner.
Alright.